Hey everybody, and welcome back to Pre-Law Talk. My name is Joshua Garlick, and I will be your host. I'm a current BYU Idaho communications student who will soon be applying to law school. I created this podcast in order to inform students about important topics such as the LSAT, the application process, law schools, and to give some advice. Today on Pre-Law Talk, we are going to be talking about experience opportunities, and I'm going to break this into two parts. So I'll publish one today and probably one in 2 days from now. Last time we talked about types and areas of law, so now I want to talk about some actual opportunities to help you gain experience before you go to law school, things that will help to open your eyes to all the possibilities that are out there. So hopefully I'll be able to share some opportunities with you, actual opportunities like internships and such, that will help you see what's out there and what might be a possibility for yourself. So my best advice when looking for opportunities is to do your own research, obviously. Find your own opportunities. Hopefully, I can give you some good ideas on where to search and some interesting ideas on where to look. So, while searching, one thing that I found important is to distinguish between undergraduate opportunities and those offered to current law students. It can be a little bit difficult to differentiate between the two online. But it's important to do because some are only offered to undergraduates and some are only offered to current law students or graduates. So our first opportunity we're going to talk about comes from an OSU blog that was written by William Sharon back in 2013. It's titled 10 Top Legal Internships for Pre-Law Students. And I know that this is a little bit outdated, so take it as you will. It is a good source for, some interesting opportunities. So, and I'm sure a lot of these opportunities still exist now in 2016, almost 2017. So I found it interesting. So we're just going to go through these top 10 and let's dive in. The first one, number 10, these are in order, is the Office of Inspector General, ranked by Glassdoor 3.5 out of 5 or 3.0 out of 5.0. This internship provides an opportunity to learn about governmental process and how the government and the legal system are intertwined. The intern would be expected to draft memoranda, and he or she would be given a chance to attend congressional hearings and Supreme Court arguments, which makes this opportunity especially unique, actually being able to sit in on Supreme Court cases there. Number 9 is Wedbush Securities in Los Angeles, California, ranked by Indeed.com 4 out of 5. It's a research-based position involving creation, filing, and organization of documents. You have to have at least a 3.5 GPA, some degrees of computer and software knowledge, or some degree of computer and software knowledge is necessary. It's an interesting opportunity there. Includes some manual labor like moving boxes and stuff, but really if you understand technology and can work in a fast-paced environment, pretty good internship opportunity there. Number 8 is Bechtel. which is found in various U.S. locations, ranked by Indeed.com again, 4 to 5. The Bechtel legal intern is required to aid attorneys in investigating and research. In addition to preparing and summarizing documents, the intern will help prepare non-disclosure agreements as well as other investigation opportunities or documents. This opportunity is interesting because it's an opportunity to work closely with actual practicing attorneys. Engineering. Bechtel is an engineering company, so if you're into engineering, you might have a leg up in that opportunity. Number 7, Discovery Communications, located in Maryland, ranked by Indeed.com, 4 out of 5. This internship is primarily concerned with intellectual property law. It allows the intern exposure to corporate contracts, and programming agreements, and a glimpse into the legal side of the media industry. So really interesting. It is paid, and it's an interesting opportunity to work with the media industry there. Number 6, Data Mining Virtual Position Internship. It's completely online, ranked by Glassdoor, 3.5 out of 5. This is an online internship, ideal for those undergraduate students with a shortage of available transportation. Work is unpaid, but offers class credit. The intern would be required to locate the rightful owners of certain assets, essentially mining data and summarizing it into useful information. So, good way to keep busy and have a lot of gain a lot of experience from that opportunity. Number 5, Curran and Berger LLP, Northampton, Massachusetts, ranked number 2 on the MHC Top 10 Research and Internship Opportunities list. So this is an immigration firm looking for an intern for research and writing. The intern would be supervised by a paralegal or attorney and would take on intensive casework. This is a paid position, requires 35 hours per week, and wonderful opportunity if you are good at working in a fast-paced law office, dealing with legal writing. So keep that in mind. Number 4, CICC, ranked by Glassdoor, 3.7 out of 5. Though this internship is as well unpaid, it's a great opportunity to work if you're interested in human rights law and international law. It requires 3-month commitment, but no more. Involves writing and communication. And that's all of that one. Number 3, CRCC Asia, located in multiple locations. You'll be interning at CRCC Asia, provides an opportunity to work internationally, although there are domestic locations as well, including California. Many of the firm's previous interns are now working for top international firms, largely due to their participation in this program. Though the program deals exclusively with international parties, there are no required languages other than fluent English. Number 2, the Public Defender Service, located in D.C., ranked by Glassdoor.com, 4.7 out of 5. This program assigns an intern to an attorney as an investigator. It requires a great deal of time, 40 hours a week or more, and irregular hours. So furthermore, there is a likelihood that interns will be asked to testify in court. The job pays about minimum wage, but opens doors as far as fellowships and extra stipends are concerned. Number 1, Georgetown Law Investigative Internship Program in D.C. This position requires the intern to perform investigation, including the interviewing of witnesses, the drafting of summary memoranda, and the preparation of trial defenses. The internship involves close contact with lawyers and law students who are willing to discuss the law school and lawyer lifestyle, It is a learning experience and a great pre-law school resume builder. So it's also a great way to get into Georgetown University Law School if you're looking to go there, which is, I think it's still a currently top 20 school. So great opportunity there. Once again, that list is a little bit outdated, but I'd look for opportunities in similar regions if any of those sounded interesting to you. So. I'm actually going to cut off this session of pre-law talk a little bit early because I've gone a little bit long with that last site. So hopefully this has been useful to you. This is part 1 of a part 2 mini-series once again. So next time we'll be going over part 2 of experience opportunities, and we'll talk about that next time. Thanks for sticking around. Special shout out to bensounds.com. Thank you, Ben Sounds, for all this free royalty-free music.